Hi friends, it's me, Macho. So today I'm going to room with my brother and my friends, and let's see how the day will be. And I would like to show you one of my Javanica juice, which is purple in color. I'll show you now. So guys, this is my Javanica juice. Today we're gonna be roaming in this car. Hi.
Yo.
What's up, Taba? Man. Yeah, Maxi.
Ang ganda din.
अभी हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं वैसे भी? ओ वीडियो सर बच्चे आज क्या रहा अरुणाचल
Wahai dohai.
Arunachal what we gonna do in Arunachal? It's okay man, let's go Arunachal. That's man kabura musara yaw awara all are awara here including me. Now I'm ready. And my engines are in this car. And behind we have two more. So we are going to reach petrol pump because our car petrol is over. We are gonna hit the hyperspeed. 1, 2, 3, start. My friends are drinking water so that we can cook. We can drink.
Somewhere in under the mirror.
Oh, look, my friend is going to give some kind of dialogue. Start. Say what you want to say. Okay, done. So, we reach our destination. This is the place where we're gonna do the cooking with bamboo. Yeah, just like Chinese style. So that is the Arunachal Mountains, and this river is called Burli River, which is flowing from Arunachal Pradesh. We are ready to go to our cooking spot. Let's go. So now we came here in a jungle to pluck that fruit. We're gonna cook this food with some yam leaves, which are abundant in this jungle. So if you want to see yam leaf, okay, at present there is no yam leaf. I'll show you afterwards. My brother is climbing to grab that fruit. Let's see he'll be able to climb or not. Dodo, then pluck it. So we are going to pluck this jungle. We call it vegetable fruit, I think. Oh, this is called elephant fruit. Yeah, this is called elephant fruit. in our language is called tidiki. So we need to. So we got one. We need one more. Be careful, don't throw in my head. So he's going to pluck that fruit. Come on. Yeah. So my brother is plucking the jungle fruit. Okay, throw it. Yeah. Now we got two, and that will be enough. So, and this will be enough for our today's curry. Now, wait, I'll show you where is the yam. There is an abandoned. Yeah, we're gonna cook this one with this yam. Yeah, this is called yam leaf. We'll collect this leaf in just to make vegetables. So there is plenty of yam leaf here in jungle. If you come to jungle and if you know the plants, then you can survive in jungle. So I know some of the plants which is eatable and which are not. So this is basically a berry, small berry. We can pluck this black one and we can directly eat. Yeah, we can eat this one. And this is called gulufu in our language. This leaf which have, okay, I'll show you another one. So the leaf of this gulufu is like this from the outside, and when you go inside, then there is lots of thorns. You cannot eat the thorn one, but you can eat the small one. Yeah, the small one you can eat, and it is very tasty. It is a vegetable. So this is a fern. I think most of you guys have known about this fern vegetable, which is very common in muddy area. So this is a fern. Yeah, we can eat this one, which is light in color, but if you can't eat this dark in color because they are very tight. We also eat this plant. This is called gong in our language, but I don't know what they call in English. We eat the root part. So I just plucked the root part. We usually don't eat the root. Okay, I'm sorry, it was not root, it was the stem. I spot red berries. Oh, there is lots of red berries. You can eat these red berries. Their leaves are like this, and their berries are like this. I'm gonna eat this berry. Looks very tasty. What is this? What is this? Oh, this is it's tasty. We had our food now. I'm gonna enjoy the view, and after that, we will go to home. Before going to home, we'll roam here and there. Hopefully, we won't soon, but we'll see you next time. See you. Bye.
Baby girl, I want you to keep putting on the show. Let's go.